Hi everyone, this is Vaibhav Vaidya with the Fits on the Go blog here at AHA 2015 in Orlando, Florida. We're joined today by Dr. Henning Bundgaard from the Rig Hospitalet in Denmark, who's going to talk to us about the BEAT-HF trial, which looked at a novel beta-3 agonist drug in heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
Could you tell us more about the rationale and the design of the BEAT-HF trial?
Yes, we have for several years known that increased intercellular sodium is a main characteristic going on in heart failure. And we have been looking for ways to bring down the raised intercellular sodium that is in the cardiomyocytes. And we came across beta-3 agonists. We all know beta-1 and beta-2 in the heart, but most of us have not been aware of the beta-3 receptor. By stimulation of the beta-3 receptor, we stimulate the sodium-potassium pump. And that is of major interest because the sodium-potassium pump is actually pumping sodium out of the cell and potassium into the cell. So it seems that the problem with raised intercellular sodium could be fixed by giving the patients with heart failure a beta-3 agonist. And that was tested in animal models, large animal models, and also in rats and mice. We have seen in sheep that whereas beta-3 agonists are negative inotropic in the normal sheep, it's positive inotropic in sheep in heart failure. And that was the basis for doing this trial, and the trial medication we used, mirabegron, is a drug that is already on the market. It's on the market for overactive bladder and approved by FDA and EMA. So we gave that drug to 70 patients with heart failure, systolic heart failure with an ejection fraction below 40%. And what we saw was that the primary outcome, change in ejection fraction, was neutral, but we saw a significant increase in those who had the lowest ejection fraction. That is, in those with a higher ejection fraction, no significant changes, but a significant improvement in those with severe heart failure. We didn't see any major adverse effects or other major problems administrating this drug. So we think that we really have a drug for the future to go for in treatment of heart failure.
That's great. Yeah, thank you so much for telling us about that. What do you think are the future directions in terms of trials for mirabegron?
We think that we probably have to do more trials in order to make sure that we have a proper N showing the effects in those with more severe heart failure. But then it's a matter of temperament, I guess, to decide when to go for a phase 3 trial. Maybe we are actually at present ready for a phase 3 trial with hard endpoints.
All right, very good. Well, thank you for speaking with us about this trial. For more videos like this about late-breaking clinical trials at AHA, please visit www.youtube.com/fitsonthego.